Hi, I'm Nina Sutton, and welcome back to Forever Fabulous Lifestyle. Today, I want to talk about, I'd say, the second step of body care, which I am so into right now. All of the companies are now coming out with products that we would have used on our face, but now for our body. Let's remember, that's like 95% of our skin is our body, and I feel like we've all been ignoring it, and I am actually obsessed with these products right now. So after I shower at night, I decide, what do I want to use on my body? And this is actually talking about my face. Do I want a glycolic tonight? Do I want a retinol tonight? Depending on what I need. Do I just want moisture? Well, I'm thinking the same thing about my body. So some of my favorite new products, and I do use these, and as I've shown you before, some of the bottles might be half full. So this is Alpha Skincare Renewal Body Lotion. It has 12% glycolic acid in it. One thing I love about the brand Olay, they usually are one step ahead of the game. And really, yes, they should be, because they've been innovators for years in these categories of skincare and body care. So now Olay has the Renewing Body Lotion with retinol. Now this is not something I'm gonna use every single day because it's not really good to. You have to give your skin a break. You can do glycolic one night, maybe skip a night, then do a retinol. And the retinol is great when you feel like you've got crepey skin. And as we're getting older, yes, that's a total thing that we have to think about. And I'll look at it, whether it's on my knees or on my elbows, on my chest, it doesn't matter. It is something that I need to focus on and deal with. Wait, can I say that again? Deal with. And this is one of my favorite new products. One of my focuses is on my entire body. Now, not just on my face, because I want to go out there and I do want to wear those short shorts, those short dresses. I want to show off my arms. I want to show off my décolleté, my neck, you name it. I don't want us to hide anymore, because I think a lot of us do. And we don't want to do things, or we don't want to wear certain clothes. That's got to stop, because now we've got solutions to help us and make it better. So after I do my skincare on my face, I usually follow up with some sort of moisturizing component, and now it's the same with my body. One of my other new favorite obsessions, I will say it's an obsession, is the Olay Super Serum. So here they've taken all the ingredients that they do for your face just to moisturize, to illuminate, to make it glow. They've done it for your body. And I will put this on all the time, and it really will. And I have to show you guys, because this is so fun. You can actually see a difference in the way your skin looks. And not only that, and I'm going to put it here, I'm going to put it everywhere, and it's also being rejuvenated at the same time. So the final step, and I know it may not be as exciting, and there's a lot of them out there in terms of just really good hydrating moisturizers, and I've talked a lot about them, whether it's like a Lubriderm or it's an Aquaphor. This is the Necessaire body lotion. This one's fragrance free, and what I do like about that is I can use my perfume or my favorite body perfume lotion, Chloe, on top of it. But it's thick, it's emollient, it has everything to seal in the moisture into my skin. And I can use it all day long. I can use it after I use my serum. So it's almost like the same steps as I use on my face, I'm doing on my body. So this has been another one of my favorites. I do like the fragrance free because it gives me the freedom to do whatever I want afterwards. Sometimes if there is too much fragrance in something, I don't want to use my perfume or what have you. It's a luxury feeling. It feels great. It makes me feel like I'm doing something so special for my skin, and there is a mental component to that. With all of these products, it does make me feel like I am really taking care of myself. I'm pampering myself. I know also then my skin looks good. I know that it's being rejuvenated. This is something I think all of us have to look into right now. So we're not that person that doesn't want to get into the pool, that doesn't want to wear that short skirt or show off their arms. We all need to, and we all need to own it. We all have the tools to do it. So we all spend so much money on our faces, and now it's time to spend the money on our bodies. 95% of our skin is on our body, not just our face. So let me know in the comments what you do to make your skin feel and look fantastic and fabulous. And in the meantime, I'm Nina Sutton, and remember to stay forever fabulous.